When you get that question on the state exam that says township, that says section, that says acreage, any of those type of topics in the state exam, you don't have to avoid it. If you understand it, we can get straight to it and answer those questions. Got it? Let's start off with township. What the hell is a township? Let me make this crystal clear. A township consists of 36 sections. I want you to know that. Put it in your brain right now. A township consists of 36 sections. Take a look at this. This entire diagram right here, this whole square is a township. Call it a town. I don't care. It's a town. And this town has 36 sections, from 1 all the way down to 36. Nice and simple. Now here's the trick. Here's the kicker when it comes to townships. When we number townships, when we number the sections in the township, we start from the far right top. We start from the northeast side. And just like a snake, we start off here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we come back this way. And then we come back this way, just like a snake, just like a rope, and we come back this way. And all the way down till we end at 36. So the question is going to be, where do we start a township? At the northeast corner of the township. Got it? That's where the first section starts. Now let's talk about measurement. It's going to be 6 miles by 6 miles, which means each section is 1 mile by 1 mile. You got it? 1 square mile. Each one of these is 1 square mile. Each section is 1 square mile. So hey, let's go straight to sections. Let's pick one of these sections here. I don't know, let's pick section 16. 16, here we go. Let's pick this one right here. 16. Now this section consists of measurement also. Each section consists of 640 acres. A township doesn't consist of 640 acres. A township consists of what? Yeah, 36 sections. Each section consists of 640 acres. Got it? Nice and simple. Let's keep on easing through this. So let's talk about the acreage, damn it. What is an acreage? Ready? An acreage. An acreage is very simple. It's 43,000, and this I want you to know by heart, 43,560 square feet. Can't teach you that, you just gotta know it. 1 acre, 43,560 square feet. So let's go back to our review section here. Township consists of what? Yeah, 36 sections. Nice and simple. Each section contains what? Yeah, 640 acres. Nice and simple. Each acre, how much? Yeah, 43,560 square feet. Got it? There it is, square footage. That in a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen, is townships with sections, with acreage, with square feet. We went from here and we funneled it all the way down to here. Now the question is going to be simple when it comes to the state exam. Stick with me. Because the question is going to go something like this. The south 1/2 of the south 1/2 of the west 1/2 of the west 1/2 of the southwest 1/4 of section 5 and the east 1/2 of the southwest 1/4 of the southeast 1/4 of section 6 has how many combined acres? So let's go straight to section 5. The question is regarding section 5 and section 6. But let's start off with section 5. Let's start off with section 5 because it's actually 2 questions in one. We know every section has 640 acres. So anytime there's a question about sections, I want you to think of what? Yeah, 640 acres. Got it? It's nice and simple. They ask about a section, I want you to think 640 acres. Now, we're going to work our way backwards. 640 acres in section 5. Well, we don't want all of section 5. We want a piece of section 5. Ready? Let's do the math. Reading it backwards. Section 5, they want southwest 1/4. Now, what's 1/4 of 640 acres? What's 1/4 of 640 acres? Let's divide 640 by 4. And what do you get? 160. We're not done. They also want west 1/2. What's 1/2 of 160? That's right, it's 80. And they want another west 1/2. What's 1/2 of those 80? That's right, it's 40. And now they want 1/2 of the south of that portion. Now what is that? Yeah, that's 20. And then they want, last but not least, the south half of that section, which gives us 10. So, section 5, we have 10 acres. All we did was work our way backwards. Exactly what they wanted. We brought down that 640 acres, and we brought it down and down and down and down based on exactly what they're asking. Well, we're not done because we have to do the same exact thing to what? Yeah, section 6. Let's see what they want out of section 6. They want 1/4 of section 6, and we know section 6 because all sections have what? Yeah, 640 acres. Well, 1/4 of 640 is what? Yeah, 160. But that's not what they want. We're going to do another southwest 1/4. So 1/4 of 160 is what? Yeah, 40. Now, based on the question, now they want east 1/2. So 1/2 of that 40 is what? Yeah, 20. So section 6 will give us 20. Section 5 will give us 10 for a grand total of what? for a grand total of what? Yeah, 30 acres. And that's the typical question you're gonna get. Now, hopefully you'll just get one section. They'll say how many acres are here or how many acres are in this section. You just have to focus on each section, the computation of each section, and then combine them if they're requesting you to give them acreage of 2 sections. Listen, sounds confusing, sounds difficult. I want you to take it step by step. The most important part of this lesson is that you know what a township is. And it consists of 36 sections, beginning with the top northeast corner and working its way west. It's just like a snake, round and round and round. 36 sections. Now, knowing these numbers will allow you to calculate, listen to me, will allow you to calculate and understand what's going on in this grid. So when you get a question, listen, when you get a question on your state exam as to how many acres in this section, how many acres in this other section, combine them together, you know exactly your starting point. And that starting point is what? Yeah, 640 acres. And then divide just the way they're requesting you to do so. Hey, listen, you might want to do yourself a big favor. We have another great video on easements, which has to do with land. Take a look, it's right up here, easements. You're gonna love it. We'll see you next week.